From the onset, the 1971 Lee versus Johnson case was a classic example of compelled school desegregation mandate versus local community control in the education of one's youth. Facts commenced as follows. Gui Hun Lee is a Chinese-American parent with children residing in ethnic Chinese neighborhoods of San Francisco, California. His children attended local public schools whereby both English and Chinese languages were conversed, with significant students fluent only in the Chinese language. However, San Francisco School District, in compliance with 1954 Supreme Court ruling, was legally compelled to execute racial school desegregation, mandated by the High Court some 17 years beforehand, if they desired to continue receiving federal education funding. Lee, the plaintiff, asserted that his children will be harmed in the learning of their unique Chinese-American ethnic culture, language, traditions, if they are forced out of their local neighborhood schools. Lee filed federal court complaint to stop San Francisco School District from moving his children to a different school away from local neighborhood school. As a historical sidebar, court-ordered school desegregation, also called busing, since you bus students from their home to a different school some 10 to 20 miles away just to mix up the races, was a major social political upheaval of the 1970s and 1980s. In general, parents were vehemently opposed to have their children used as pawns in this judicial activist social experiment. Yet, the High Court, as judicial activists, have made the final ruling. As a matter of American jurisprudence, one cannot overturn a Supreme Court ruling without Congress and the President signing an opposing constitutional amendment. Hence, the schools, the parents, and the public all had to comply.